Heading out off South Townsville today. She's a little bit overcast. Chance of a shower this morning, but it should fine up throughout the day. I love it. South Queensland's going through a cold snap. Ooh, we're freezing. It's 21 degrees here in Townsville this morning. Freezing. Don't even have a jumper. So, yeah, we're just going to go up the creek. Just to see how I go. Neap tides, running tide all morning. Till I think about 12 o'clock-ish. But not big tides, so we'll see how we go. Day doesn't look too bad at all, I don't think. Yeah. Fingers crossed, we get a bit of luck. Well, that was a bit rougher than I expected. And I needed the jumper because she's windy out there and it's a bit fresh on the old nippies. No real plans for today, actually. I'm just gonna do a bit of luring, a little bit of baiting. I'm gonna go up a gutter where I know there's some mullet and stuff, but it is winter. Water temperature is 21.5, so it's cooled down, which will slow the bite down a bit. I'm gonna downsize my lure, just a little smaller one, with a little 3.0. Still caught some quite good legal size barramundi on that. But yeah, I'm just gonna, bottom of the tide, I'm just gonna hit a couple of little trees that are just on the edges here. We've got some bait along the mud bank here, some trees here and a gutter. Looks pretty good. And yeah, I just can't resist having a little flick there, I think. We'll see how we go. Might get lucky. Don't know if you can see it on the camera, there's a nice tree just here as well. Oh my god. That's just how good these lures are. Let's pour it in nice and slow out of this gutter. I don't know you look at it. That's just how good these little BCC lures are. You can crabs on them. I don't know if I got any of that on record. GoPro playing up on me. Hey! Settle, settle, stop spinning. Oh. You want to open your mouth for me? Oh, there we go. I don't think he's quite legal, but pretty. I love these fish. Right, I switched colours before because the water is rather clear and I've gone to my electric boogaloo colour. And that's the second. Well, I've already had a strike on it, but that's the well, not including the crab. It's first fish of the day. Good little way to start. Happy. Now let's see if there's any bigger ones in there. Oh my lord, that was bad. Oh, got away with it. Oh, big lizard. He's going twisties. Nice lizard. That could be Monday night's dinner, actually. Settle. I do enjoy eating the flathead. It is gorgeous. What have we got here? Come here, little buddy. I said, come here, little buddy. You boys don't want to open your mouth, do you? Bit dirty, sorry. I forgot to explain to you why I switched over to the electric boogaloo, the brighter colour. With the Nipa tides, the actual water's fairly clear today, and with the clearer water, you use a bit more colour and stuff like that. When it's darker, when it's dirtier and all churned up, I'll use the darker colours like the Coca-Cola and the black and gold. That way, because they're seeing the silhouette. But when it's a bit clearer, I'll use the brighter colours. And so far, it's paid off. With a little barramundi and a nice flathead. Not a bad fish at all. Might be a nice cod, I think. Oh, geez, he felt bigger than that. It's a little cod. I just trying to arrange the anchoring and this fella's latched onto it. Nice little black spot. Say what you will about these fellas, they are absolutely delicious eating. He's probably just undersized, but beautiful fish nonetheless. Good fun. I love catching fish on the lure. So good. Who am I kidding? I love catching fish. They're good. They're just good. Just so good. Well, busted my ass for about half an hour to get no liveys. They're around, but they're very, very scarce and very timid. But I did bring some mullet, so throw a few slabs in the trees. Oh. We'll see how we go. A few of you moving about, is there? Alright. If you want them to get a let go, just do this. Touch the side of the boat. They shit bricks. I might have a crab on the rod as well, I think. Or worse. Bugger. Oh, double bugger. Solves that problem. I'll wait to it. I've got 2 crabs here. What have I got here? Oh, you know what? These 2 are shagging. I don't know if you can see that. He's probably a legal buck. But these 2 are shagging, so I'm going to let him go because I want more crabs in the future. But look how cool that is. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to disturb. I thought there was 2 crabs there. Thought I was losing the plot. Well, who says men can't multitask, eh? Having a feed while he's on the job. Crabby has found it again. There's plenty of crabs moving around. Oh, he's just a baby with a winger. Just a little winger. That was a big fish. Right around the tree, snagged me. What the fuck? Oh! That was a good fish. Snapped my freaking hook. Obviously that's a dud hook, but oh, that was a really good fish. He was right on that tree, smoked it. Yes! Bastard. This time. Oh! What the hell? Gotta at least be a cod in there. Oh, solid dump, solid dump. Good God. Far out. Just having no bloody luck here. Dropped two fish back there. That time. Oh, little barramundi. I knew there had to be one up here. Something in that tree. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Give me a little fella. Oh, you're getting along, don't worry. Easy. Nice, healthy little fish. Very silver. Awesome. I love catching them. They're such a cool fish. Oh, another one. Oh, he's a bit better. He's another barra too. Oh, he's not going to be sized, but he's a gorgeous fish. He's a better fish. Oh, I could catch these things all day. Come here, little fella. A bit bigger. Got a chunk missing out of him too. Something's had a go at him when he was a little fella. I will measure you, but I don't think you are sized. Easy. go. Gorgeous little fish. 53. Like I thought, didn't think he was going to be size. But I'm going to have it to show you something really cool on this fish. Oh. Something. I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to come into the sun here. Something had to go at him. Look at his dorsal fin. He's all bunged up. Little chunk missing out of him there. They're hardy fish, these things. They can take a beating. Another beautiful fish. Another beautiful release. Happy days. The old electric boogaloo. Again, everyone, I don't actually think that's not actually the name of this lure. It's a VCT paddle. But ever since I started calling it an electric boogaloo, I've been catching fish on it, so electric boogaloo it remains. Oh, 2 barra and 2 casts. I can deal with that. Oh, that might be a bit trickier to get a fish in. Now I'm right up the creek here, and the water temperature down the mouth was 21.7. The temperature up here is 22.4. So that could also contribute to a few more barra bites, because the 2 fish I missed back there, I'm not sure what they were. They weren't cod though. They were either a jack or a barra. They were just too quick and too hard. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I dropped him. Must be a few in there. This is cool, this is cool, this is cool. Oops. No. Too far. Oh, that's a better barra. Oh no, it isn't. He's just a good barra, and my line's got a big knot on it. Get out of that tree. Oh, he's got me in the tree, the little turtle. Here we go. He's out. What is happening? Oh, my line's about to break. No. Oh, and he's off. Oh well. Wow, what happened here? Half my line just snapped. That was a close one. Lucky to get him in. Oh. Well, pretty lean on the fish today, but had a bit of fun, and yeah, love catching little rats. Be nicer if they are biggies, but it's alright. I just put 2 crab pots in today, not expecting too much. However, there was a fair few crabs on the line today, including even one on the lure, so we'll see. There we go. Alright, let's see how we go. Perfect. One beautiful buck. I don't need 20 bucks, I just need one. Needs a beauty. Oops. Done and done. Solid. Easy size. You're buttered. Yep, always a good grab. Sorry, mate. Just in time, because that is a black ass cloud out there. So I do not want to see what is within said black ass cloud. Alright, let's see what's in this other pot, and then we make a move around. We're going home by the ocean. Sweet F all. Oh well, that's good, I guess. Where's my net? Where's my line? Here we go. Well, that wasn't the most enjoyable trip home either. Wind has come around and I was going straight into it, well, across it even. So I got a nice spray across my sunnies, that's great. Pretty good day overall actually, you know, got some fish. Got dinner for tonight. I got myself a crab for afternoon tea and a nice flatty. And yeah, we'll have some flathead and chips tonight. Should be good. Yeah. That's pretty much it for the day. If you like this, give us a follow, give us a subscribe. Cheers guys, and see you next time.